Honey.
Internal system reboot in progress. Her excitement, confusion, and zoomies all collide at once.
N'importe quoi.
When Dog was lying there minding his business and suddenly got invited to the WWE.
Good boy. See? He's good too. Look at his ears, bro.
No, él es rebelde. Él es rebelde.
¿Ella es rebelde?
Ella es rebelde. Yo no veo problema.
Morky has officially appointed herself as Chief Cleaning Officer.
Meu Deus do céu, que coisa ali. Ó, não ela aqui não, que é elétrico, viu?
Eita.
Ai, não briguem. Oh, meu Deus.
Snack Time Supervision, Mom Edition. Pomeranians may be small, but they're terrific.
Fue a esto. Literally, he's fast. He's so fast.
What do you have? Come here. Come here. Leave it. Wilbur. Wilbur.
Look, see?
Labradoodle logic. If it doesn't look like a 5-star meal, it's a no. The harder the mission, the more the German Shepherd enters unstuck.
Esta mierda. Sí, me voy a vivir del arte. Hacer pulseras. Ay, ¿cuál arte si yo no sé hacer un culo?
They don't even have it. Do they have a dog? Come up here.
Ven acá, pinche ratata. ¿Qué? ¿A poco sí muy pinche verga, pinche patas cortas? Nah, estás por la verga, pinches patas cortas. Mejor llega a la verga.
Wheaton Terriers somehow always find the exact
Honey. What'd you do?
made you the Mrs. Cool Police? Where my glasses at?
Got it.
So, where'd you hide your calf? Oh, wait a second. What is this right here?
What? Okay.
I want to help. I want to help.
Frenchie really turned household cleaning into public transportation.
You can already see it. Like, okay. I need you to just breathe for 2 seconds.
Fun fact, moose are usually calm, but with calves, they become one of the most dangerous animals alive.
That time baby Doobie underestimated the puddle. Yeah, he can swim. That time baby Doobie underestimated the puddle. Yeah, he can swim.
Really? Well, I've been at work.
This is one half.
Today drained me.
Akitas often freeze in unusual positions when they're intensely focused on something.
Oh, there's the baby.
There's a baby on there.
So she asks the keepers for help.
Боялся, нахуй, отплакался, отбоялся. Вообще похую. Мне вообще похуй, мне вообще похуй. Я вообще все с ним.
In the wild, teaching doesn't need words, only example. This is how cubs learn strength.
Did you chew up this pillow? Huh?
C'est pour qui ça? Va par ta papy. Va par ta papy. Viens. Viens.
Let it happen energy in its purest form. Too old for drama, too tired for resistance.
Será que o Brutus ama a água? Ele tá debaixo da bica, tomando banho.
Pop saw one obstacle and immediately recruited the pig for assistance.
This is what happens when you're a bad boy. You get time out. Nope, stay there.
She got startled. Little sneeze scared mom. Got it.
Style check before duty check. Work mood depends entirely on the outfit.
Você quer papar também? É isso? A mãe tá almoçando?
Officer, amateur at guarding, professional at stealing hearts.
Đâu một ngàyยังอุ่มปอนนมไม่เก่าอยู่เด็กเป็นคนหล่อที่ไม่ได้ติดดินนะครับแต่ว่าติดจุกนมนะครับ
Big brain energy from the cutest little chonk. He calculated the physics and found a loophole.
You can already see it. Like, okay. I need you to just breathe for 2 seconds.
I'm just coming up the stairs. Oh, you done lost your damn mind hopping up on me like that. You done
Holy.
Sometimes even the smartest dogs forget obstacles exist when a ball's involved. The harder the mission, the more the German Shepherd enters unstuck. No matter the place, a mother always knows the way. Free pool, but strict supervision. She's letting the fun happen, just not the danger.
I got you, homie.
Pop saw one obstacle and immediately recruited the pig for assistance.
This is what happens when you're a bad boy. You get time out. Nope, stay there.
Allez.
Cuddle time knows no species. Mom instincts always override biology. Don't judge a gorilla by their frown. Switch to mom mode and it's all. Mama Bear leading the tour like, this is where humans store snacks.
Okay, baby. I'm gonna help ya.
Experts describe this behavior as extreme trust in gravity and human supervision. He just unlocked Blanket using intelligence mode. Learning pause for an emergency nap. Pup's not skipping training, he's recharging.
แห้งแล้วกลับบ้านลูกกลับบ้านกลับฐานเข้าไปเขาเหลืองานแล้ว
No matter the place, a mother always knows the way.
Será que o Brutus ama a água? Ele tá debaixo da bica, tomando banho.
हे प्रभु हे हरिराम कृष्ण जगन्नाथ प्रेमानंदी ये क्या हुआ हे प्रभु
Did you eat mommy's Apple Watch? Were you the one that did this?
Help me.
When Doggo forgot to submit the report on time in her dream. Puppy just discovered heavy machinery and decided it's the meaning of life.
Ay, qué calor hace, ya lo bajé. Y no comparto. No comparto aire. ¿Me das pollito? Un poquito de pollito, ¿sí?
The only thing stronger than discipline, a ball. Some priorities never change. Nature provided the equipment. Golden Retriever runs on affection instead of food.
You're just having a little bit of anxiety. Ow! Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
To us, just shoes. To him, a full biography.
Gracie, what's wrong? You can come down.
Ma scusa, mi dici sempre una cosa da fare? Io dico di no! Santo che l'ho visto! Oh, babies! Oh, sugars!
This time
That little trunking knows where the cozy zone is, right by Mom's feet.
Договор заключен на большое количество времени.
Wesh, il va pousser dans la voiture là. Can I get a pup cup, please? Somebody give me a pup cup. Give me a pup cup right now.
Tiny moving objects instantly turn them into curious babies.
They always said you should think twice.
He walked away. It's okay, sir. I think it's okay. Nice and soft.
Experts describe this behavior as extreme trust in gravity and human supervision. Poppy really said, affection accepted, but from a respectful distance. He just unlocked Blanket using intelligence mode. Who says parenting's easy? Watch these animal moms handle their little chaos makers. To us, just shoes. To him, a full biography.
You good?
Sheba treats every slipper like a limited edition prize, be like.
Do you? I haven't asked you the question yet. Do you?
This canine GSD lived up to its name by rescuing 30 escaped goats. Traffic jam? Who cares when these bison's top priorities their cough? Baby naps are non-negotiable. Nature's emergency hotline, Mom on speed dial. In the wild, there's no plan B, just Mom.
Suéltalo, suéltalo, suéltalo que yo lo vi primero. Suéltalo. Suéltalo, perro. Suéltalo, perro. Suéltalo, perro. Suéltalo, suéltalo que es mío. Yo lo vi primero. Suéltalo. Es mío. Mío.
Proof that even future canines start as tiny weirdos.
De groep corrigeert, zeg.
Did you know Goldens have got two moods? Angelic and accidentally trapped in furniture. Thanks for joining the fun. Remember, behind every little mischief is a mom keeping watch. Badge off. Content creator on. Career shift. Former police dog, now full-time TikToker.
Literally, he's fast. He's so fast.
What do you have? Come here. Come here. Leave it. Wilbur. Wilbur.
Are you good?
Upper Body Day Canine Edition. He knows keeping fit's part of the job.
Hey guys, guess who it is? You already know, Bane. So this was work today.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas.
Australian Shepherds can overheat quickly during active walks, so cool water fills them. Tiny dog thinks the bush provides maximum invisibility.
Simba, come here. Oh.
Pig. 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 Pig.
เอาแล้วเหรอเอาแล้ว
Okay.
Nothing humbles a determined dog faster than...
What is it? Can I please? What is that? Oh. Oh. Oh, it's a chicken. Okay.
A mother's instinct. Stay close no matter what. That little trunking knows where the cozy zone is, right by Mom's feet.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas.
Australian Shepherds can overheat quickly during active walks, so cool water fills them. nature provided the equipment.
Боялся, нахуй, отплакался, отбоялся. Вообще похую. Мне вообще похуй, мне вообще похуй. Я начал с ним.
Who needs a grooming salon when you've got street engineering?
Oh, you look snazzy. Ah! He said, what?
이거.
No, I'm not taking pictures. Come on. Sir, come here. Anytime she sees the phone.
Poppy really said, affection accepted, but from a respectful distance. Cuddle time knows no species. Mom instincts always override.
Mostra a postura dela aí. Isso aqui, ó. Ó, isso que é postura. Postura, ó. Passando peitinho. Olha a cara disso.
The only thing stronger than discipline, a ball. Some priorities never change.
I got you, homie.
It's teeny tiny Tony on vacation. It's teeny tiny Tony on vacation. It's teeny tiny Tony. It's teeny tiny Tony on vacation. Today drained me.
Akitas often freeze in unusual positions when they're intensely focused on something. That's how the real star of the show steals every scene. A simple hand in the sofa crack is all he needs for an entire full day.
Alright, let's wait.
Tiny Dog thinks the bush provides maximum invisibility.
Simba, come here. Oh.
Free pool, but strict supervision. She's letting the fun happen, just not the danger.
Así, así.
We're in Alabama.
Bro saw a human doing pottery and immediately thought, I could improve this design. When elegance meets strong boundaries.
Mia, are you snowplow? Who is stronger? I am stronger.
When your partner has 4 legs and 0 warning.
There's a pond that really looks like I might want to, go swimming in it.
Even heroes need a little goof-off time. Thanks so much. Key to survival. Patty doesn't hide the evidence. He just relaxes next to it.
แต่ว่าตอนนี้ผมอยู่กับสุนัขเคนายของเจ้าหน้าที่นะครับที่นำกำลังเข้ามาเพื่อ
来，滑石头。哦呦厉害！哦呦厉害！哦呦厉害！哦呦！哦呦！哦呦！哦呦！哦呦！ Who are you? Who is this dog?
Let it happen energy in its purest form. Too old for drama, too tired for resistance.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
そう。他踏むなよ。そうそうそうそう。踏まないよ。そうだ。そうそうそうそう。そう、はい、行こう。
Good work. And then there's this guy.
Sometimes instincts beat duty. Before he was a police dog, he was just a dog.
Hey, let's go.
No.
So she asks the keepers for help.
I'm just coming up the stairs. Oh, you done lost your damn mind hopping up on me like that. You done lost.
No, él es rebelde. Él es rebelde.
¿Ella es rebelde?
Ella es rebelde. Yo no la veo problema.
Morky has officially appointed herself as Chief Cleaning Officer. She entered the bed like a truck backing into a loading dock.
Oh, there's the baby.
There's a baby.
Need you to grab something for me. Attack! Attack!
Oh God!
Oh my gosh! Oh! Don't tear his ACL!
Eloy! Eloy! Chuka mo lang.
Apology. Don't judge a gorilla by their frown. Switch to mum mode and it's all.
Mostra a postura dela aí. Isso aqui, ó. Isso que é postura. Postura, ó. Passando peitinho. Olha a cara disso. Quase ver.
Proof that even future canines start as tiny weirdos. Hippo calves can't stay underwater for long. Mum mode permanently on. Learning pause for an emergency nap. Pup's not skipping training, he's recharging.
แห้งแล้วกลับบ้านลูกกลับบ้านกลับฐานเข้าไปเอาเรืองานแล้ว
Come, good boy. Come here. Come.
Good night, Rim. Good night, Rim.
Oh, you look snazzy. Ah! He said, "What?"
Nature's emergency hotline, Mom on speed dial. In the wild, there's no plan B, just Mom. Frenchie really turned household cleaning into public transportation. Manners before mayhem. Military training made them understand discipline comes first.
Kaya lang siya at al-art na tiraos ko. Ya say,
That stare says, you saw that, right? You saw the disrespect.
A ver, abre cajón. Abre, Peque, abre. ¿Qué quiere, las galletas?
DIY bedmaker on duty. A mother's instinct. Stay close no matter what.
Your baby doesn't play about her favorite toy.
I need you to grab something for me. Attack! Attack!
Oh God!
Oh my gosh! Oh! Don't tear his ACL!
Eloy! Eloy! Chuka ka ba?
What if she wants to bring in the house?
That bark means, please notice me.
Gracie, what's wrong? You can come down.
Ay, qué calor hace. Ya lo bajé. Y no comparto. No comparto aire. ¿Me das pollito? Un poquito de pollito, ¿sí?
It's teeny tiny Tony on vacation. It's teeny tiny Tony on vacation. It's teeny tiny Tony. It's teeny tiny Tony on vacation.
So, where'd you hide your calf?
Oh, wait a second. What is this right here?
You can hide anything from humans, but not from a doggo.
हे प्रभु हे हरि राम कृष्ण जगन्नाथ प्रेमानंद ये क्या हुआ हे प्रभु
Did you eat mommy's Apple Watch? Were you the one that did this?
Help me.
I've heard it. It's probably